Ow.
See that one?
That's a drone.
Ooh.
I like that one up there. I think they're catching.
Is it recording?
There's two of them. There's another one over there.
It's recording it. Where's the other one? Where's the other one?
Oh, there's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 of them. Oh, yeah. The star? Yeah. Where is it? Oh, no, I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. I'm used to
What about the red one out there?
That was so small.
Where
Oh, fine with that. 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 I'm fine with that.
Ow.
I'm fine with all of them. Except the big ones, like those. Like that one. Oh, that hurted. Oh, that hurted. Oh, that hurted.
Ooh, that hurts. That doesn't hurt. And that doesn't hurt. I only like the big ones that are like huge. Huh? Yeah, but I only like the big ones that are like that one. That's cool. Those are like spinning. Spinning donuts. I get so close.
Ow, my ears. They suck. I think that's fine. Nope.
Nope. Yes.
That's gonna hurt. Oh, okay, that's fine.
That's
That's
fine.
fine.
Nope. That's fine.
That one's fine.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
I don't
That's
think.
fine.
Okay, that's
That's
fine.
fine.
Sometimes the little ones hurt. Oh, this one's gonna hurt. Ah, I knew it.
Ah, oh. Are you recording?
Yeah. Poor Ollie.
Ah, this
Oh
hurts.
my god, it's poor video. It's poor video quality.
Something hit mine.
Sucks. Oh god.
Ooh, that hurts.
Not really.
No, I'm saying it hurts because I got something in my knee.
Um,
Dad,
ow.
put it on the light. I rub it all over whenever I touch there. Like I rub my hand right over my knee and I can feel like something's right there. Nope, they don't hurt at all.
Happy birthday in America? Kind of.
No, those are all
You need at least 50 of them.
pickles.
The sky.
Huh?
The sky is the cake. Or the land is the cake.
The land, yeah. Well, who's gonna eat it? No one. Why?
The sky itself. I mean, gravity itself. It looks weird because
people on the cake.
it looks weird because on my tablet it's different colors, but in real life it's the colors it is.
That does hurt. Yep. That does not hurt.
Like right now it's yellow even though it's blue.
They don't hurt anymore. They're supposed to hurt. I like them hurting. Nope. Nope. Oh, that
Oh.
one. Oh, that one hurted.
That one hurt.
Woo. They don't hurt anymore except for that one. That one's gonna hurt. Nope. Doesn't hurt. You're weak. Oh, that one hurts. Oh, yep. Got a fire
Really? Did a fire start or something?
Where are they looking? Yep, there's a fire. We're all going at once. Oh, that was hurt. Oh, yep. Where we set up fireworks. Oh, that hurt. Yep.
Birthday
last time we
to
set 'em, remember
America.
there was one that
America.
a lot of smoke on the floor. There's a lot of fireworks.
I see another one over here.
That didn't hurt as much. Oh, that one hurts.
Ooh. Ow.
That one didn't hurt. Why'd you say ow?
Because they're my earth.
Oh, I thought it like a spark.
Blue car.
That was cool.
Happy birthday to America.
Woo! Say.
Wow.
No. Oh, I heard it. I can't hear anymore.
When we get home, I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Why are you? Oh God, never mind.
Playing with the damn box to get home. Put it down over there.
Fine.
Now you just woke up all these spiders.
Really, dude?
Well, the spiders would have already woke up from the fireworks.
I'm just gonna stand up, make some chairs and down on this concrete.
Fine.
They said I woke up all the spiders. I was joking. We're not standing up.
You've had butt hurt.
That one didn't do anything. Oh.
Yeah.
No, it was the other one.
Get on top of the car.
Now, I'm gonna actually sit down now.
You can't do it.
I'm gonna actually sit down now.
Uh-oh. Not that
Sit
one.
down where you're at.
I didn't do anything. Oh, yeah.
Olivia, you're covering it.
Tyler, just sit down.
Yeah? Sit down, dude. Put my
Double. Triple.
Oh, actually, this song was not concert.
There's people playing songs over
Vivian,
there.
this one's actually what this is like.
You know why they do fireworks?
Why? So that boy's flat.
Why?
Have you heard the national anthem?
No.
The national anthem?
No.
And they talk about all the lights they see in the sky from the bombs and everything. That sounded like a lot of things happening.
Vivian. Yeah? The one I'm listening to right now is in the
Weekly.
Weak. Oh, that was big. That one's big. Yep.
Oh, God.
I knew it was big because of the fireworks. Oh, that's enough. Weak. Just weak. Nope. Nope. Weak. Nope. Weak. Oh, those are the 4th of July colors.
Ah.
Huge. Nope.
Nope.
Oh, that was so little though. Ooh, that was tiny bit. Ooh, that hurts just a little. Oh, big. Yep. Oh, yep. Oh, yep.
Not that big, dude.
Alright, what about this one?
No.
Wait for it. This one. What about that one?
Nah.
Fail.
Nah.
Which one is it? I think it's not that one. It's that one.
No.
It's the one after.
Oh.
After that one.
No.
It's that one. There we go.
Nah.
That one. No.
Maybe.
Fail.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ow.
Weak. That's weak.
That actually did hurt, dude.
No, that was weak.
A little weak.
None of my ears are popping.
And I know how. Look at all the shapes in the smoke.
Uh-huh.
I don't see it.
I'm doing really bad eyes.
Oh yeah, I see it. I'm seeing like a spider. Stop!
Sorry, there's like a spider or something. Oh, that was. Oh, yep. Oh, nope. Nope, that hurt. That hurt. Nope. Yep. Nope. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. And I'll say no. Nope. 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 Which one's big? Nope.
Oh, that's. Oh, there you go.
Okay, this is gonna be.
Nope.
Okay, that's gonna be the end of it.
Nope.
So am I blocking your view?
That one, there it is.
Kind of, not really.
Well, no, not really.
Where should I go? This way?
No.
Nah, you're fine.
No. Oh, what about that one? The ones that sound really cool, it looks like it's bait, but it's not.
Imagine if you're sitting in the stadium right under that and it looks like it's gonna fall.
Ah, true.
Wait, the stadium is under us? Oh, under the fireworks. Oh.
I'm sure there.
Okay, this way.
If you would have left earlier from your friend's house.
Ah! Okie dokie.